Hello, today we are going to fix the noise on W163 ML350. There is a clutch that is causing the problem. That's what I suspect, but let's take a look. If you come down here, look at the fan and the clutch, and if you see, if it is wiggly, see, this is wiggly, and when we actually start the fan, the water pump, the motor is also wiggles. The whole thing wiggles. So it could be either this, the clutch, or it could be the water pump. But first we'll replace the clutch and see if the problem goes away. If it is not, then we have to do the water pump replacement. But anyway, when we are removing this particular fan, it is also a good idea to replace the serpentine belt. Let me start the engine. Let's see how it wiggles. So just notice on that particular motor. If you see, the wiggly is pretty bad. It's not good idea to run it for a long time. So let's replace that and see if the problem goes away. Hey guys, okay, now we got all our tools, and so this is the serpentine belt. Okay, and this is the clutch. So we need to remove the fan and fit the clutch, and these are the tools. So it's a 40 millimeter, the holder for the water pump. It has 3 holes. It will fit perfectly into those, and this is the 36 millimeter wrench. This is what we use to turn the thing. Okay, let's get to work. But first we need to do a couple of things down here. We got to remove this the plastic thingy. Okay, and also this is very delicate part. So the engine oil checker, so take this one also off. Okay, keep it on the side. And now what we need to do, you see, there are 3 bolts, right? So those 3 bolts need to fit in. Smaran, come here, hold the light from here. So those are the 3 bolts that need to fit in, and on Mercedes Benz, to loosen you need to turn the anti-clockwise. Okay, let's do that. First, let's get the wrench in. Okay, and this needs to sit in. And then this needs to move. So the problem is, if it doesn't fit in, then you're actually moving the fan, just moving the thread onto. Can you get a so if you go on there is a hammer. You get it? Okay. Now, okay, let's see. Okay, now it is loosen up. Now we need to turn this.
Low power.
What happened?
Low power.
Smaran, there is one more battery upstairs. Can you get it? In that white cover. Yeah, for that. Without having right tools, this task, without that 3-bolt holder, this task going to take at least 1 hour because you slip and turn and all those things. With the right tool, it will be like 5-minute job. So okay. Okay, now we got this thing out. So what we'll do is we'll replace this with this. So like this, right? The other way around. You'll have to replace like this. Okay, off it. Okay, now we removed the old one and we put back the new one, and we need to put it back onto the fan onto the engine. But before we do that, we need to replace the serpentine belt. Where is the light? So we need to replace the serpentine belt. And we have a new one. So if you see the diagram, so if it goes like this all the way down, can you come here? So from the top, go all the way down and follows into the bigger pulley, okay, and comes back into this, okay, and goes back into the main pulley. Okay, so this is our, that is the diagram. Focus on. Okay, so this is the tension pulley. So this need to go down so that this will loosen up and it will come off. Okay, so for that there is a bolt underneath. I don't know whether you can see, but there is a bolt underneath. So we need to move that down so that the whole thing will come down. Okay, so let's try that. Can you hold on? Okay. Not easy.
Need help?
No, it's okay. Okay. That was hard. Okay. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you, Smaran, can you come here? Put the light. Okay. Look at this. Completely broken. Okay, look at the damage. So it's good that we are replacing this. Recording? Okay, let's put it back in. Now it is a tricky part. So you put it all the way down first. Okay. From here, this will go up. Go up like this. And has to go over that. That is good. And then goes underneath. Okay, it went underneath that. Can I hold this? Okay. Can you hold like this, please? Okay. Alley. Okay. Through the pulley. Okay, are we on? So went through that into here. Came through that, and we need to get it onto the tensioner pulley now. Is that good?
Um.
From the top all the way down, and from the down came to bigger pulley, and tensioner pulley.
Isn't it supposed to go under? This is supposed to go under this, right? So this one goes under and then comes back up, I think. You see, right now we have it like this, where these two are touching right here.
Okay.
But this should go underneath.
Oh, like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Come here. Hold it.